Hello and welcome to this next tutorial in Small Basic. Now the top three lines of code are exactly the same as from the first tutorial, in the fact that we're just asking somebody for their name, we're storing that name into a variable that we've called name, and we're printing a welcome message back with whatever name that the user's entered. Now that's useful, but we need to take it further. So the next step is to learn how to do if and else statements. We can use these to check the contents of a variable in memory and see if they're equal to a certain value, and then if they are, selectively run some code. So in this example, we've got if whatever's stored in the name variable is equal to Bob, then textWindow.WriteLine call name, else if it's anything else but Bob, B-O-B all lowercase, just write to the screen nice to meet you. Now the important thing to remember when you're doing an if-else, three things. You need to use a single equals between the variable and the thing you want to check. If it's some text you're checking, remember to put it in speech marks. Remember to put the keyword then after the thing you're checking, whether it's some text or potentially a number. With the else, you don't need any condition because the else will always run the code below it if this top condition is not true. And finally, always remember you must end an if statement with an end if block of code. Well, let's see it running. Here we go. So let's type in Bob this time, and you can see it says welcome Bob and call name. Now if we run it again with a different name, let's put in, I don't know, Andy, you can see it just says welcome Andy, nice to meet you, and this line of code did not run because the content of the name variable was not equal to Bob. I'll have a go at this and then try, for example, maybe entering in a question rather than just what is your name. You could try putting in hello, what is the capital of London? If capital equals London, then textWindow.WriteLine correct, else textWindow.WriteLine no, that's incorrect. I'll go over that in more detail in our next tutorial, but for now, have a play, see what you can come up with. Bye for now.